Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our 12.3-inch Android screen MTK that we installed in a 2017 Mercedes GLC. That it came with a small screen with a premium sound system. And we installed our 12.3-inch, which is 4+64 MTK with 8-core processor, and it's 1920 resolution by 720 with anti-glare blue screen. A lot of people, they're asking us what is the difference between your unit and other companies. Especially our MTK unit is really special. It's not same as those other companies that they sell Qualcomm, and we do have Qualcomm, but the MTK is really special. Like comparing to the other companies like DMP or whatever, people they keep asking us what are the differences. So today I have a chance to show you the differences. As you can see, the MTK can do full screen on NTG5. That means usually those Qualcomm screens, they cannot do full screen. So on the other side, you see one part that it shows the kilometers left in the gas tank and so on. But when you have our MTK, you can have full screen without having that annoying part. So this is one of the best functions we have on our MTK. And by touching the screen, obviously you go to the aftermarket mode. So everything is there. Maybe same as the other companies, like as I mentioned, or you can see it on our title, but our DSP is on our main menu. And you can control the smart bass, balance, loudness, delay, or filter, which is amazing. And none of those guys can support all these things. And on top of that, you have 3 spots to add any apps that you using them more than the other ones. So by clicking on this, you can see a list pops out and you can add any apps that you're playing it more and you want to have it on your main screen. So these are the advantages of our MTK unit, and that's make a price difference. Plus, a lot of those Qualcomm units, you cannot have Apple CarPlay right away when you get in the car. But for these units, you can have Apple CarPlay right away and it pops out automatically without going to the app. And on top of that, I'm going to show you the speed of connection that you can basically connect your iPhone to this screen. So I'm turning on the Wi-Fi. This phone gonna connect to this unit for the first time. The Bluetooth is on. So first of all, I find the Bluetooth. I click on the Bluetooth. Pair. Just give the permissions. It shows it's connected. You see, without touching the app, it pops out. I give the permission to use the CarPlay, and you can see the speed. So every time I go inside the car, if my Bluetooth and also my Wi-Fi is on, it connects automatically super fast, and you can see how smooth is it even if it's wireless. That most of those Qualcomms, because they're using different technology, it's not as fast as this, and also you have to go to specific app to turn on the Apple CarPlay. So these are the advantages of our unit. Plus, we're gonna have very soon, if you want to add 360 camera, these units, the MTK units, they have built-in interface to be able to do the 360 camera, and it's basically built in to the device and no need to add any other external devices. But the other companies, they don't have this function. If you're interested to get this type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.